Now we will start with the question answers. A Thing of Beauty poem. Poet John Keats. We will start with the word meanings. Forever, for all the time, loveliness, beauty, pass, go, nothingness, futility, bower, a small garden. This is the question which is being asked repeatedly in your MCQ type questions. What is the meaning of bower? It is a small garden. A small garden, bower. Wreathing means making a wreath. Dearth means lack. Gloomy, udas, matlab sad. Pall, covering for the shroud. Sprouting, shoot forth. Daffodils, kind of flowers. Rills, brook, stream. Covert, secret. Break, a thick mass of ferns. Sprinkling, scattering, fair, beautiful, musk, rose, blooms, flower. फाउंटेन का मतलब है स्प्रिंग. ग्रैंड्योर का मतलब है स्प्लेंड्योर, स्प्लेंडर. इमॉर्टल ड्रिंक का मतलब है अमृत, मतलब जो पीने लायक नहीं है. ब्रिंक मतलब एज. Now let us start with the question answer. List the things of beauty mentioned in the poem. A quiet bower. एक quiet bower से क्या मतलब हुआ? A small garden जो कि बिल्कुल quiet है, still है. A peaceful sleep. A wreath of flowers. The sun, the moon and the trees. Daffodils. Clear rills. Grandeurs of the domes. List the things. Question number 2. List the things that cause suffering and pain. The poem mentions a few things that cause suffering and pain. These are dearth of noble natures, gloomy days, unhealthy and over darkened ways through which human beings must pass, dark spirits. What are the lines? Question number 3. What are the lines? Therefore, are we wreathing a flowery band to bind us to the earth, suggest to you. In this line, Keats says that human beings are aware of the value of beauty in life. They know that a wreath of flowers. wreath का मतलब क्या बताया था? कमेंट सेक्शन में बताना. wreath का मतलब, ठीक है. They know that wreath of flowers in the morning can make their whole day worth living. For in the movements of gloomy and grief, the thought of beautiful wreath will give them solace. Thus, this line suggests to us that a simple but beautiful thing like a wreath of flowers is a very valuable thing. Question number 4. What makes the humans being love life in spite of troubles and sufferings? It is always something beautiful and its memory that makes humans love life. It may be in nature, as in the flowers, the sun, the moon, the trees, etc., or it may be in the ideas like grandeur of the domes, which we have imagined for our mighty death. Whatever it may be, it is desire and thought of beauty. Thus, these lines, in spite of its troubles and sufferings. Why is grandeur associated with the mighty dead? Grandeur is always associated with the mighty dead. It is believed that their life was a beauty while they lived and that they will have a most beautiful life waiting for them after their death. ग्रेंड्योर्स के लिए बोला जाता है ऐसा. जो ग्रेंड्योर का मीनिंग था शान, शान है ना, associated with mighty death, क्योंकि after their death they will have a life beautiful. ठीक है. Question number 6. Do we experience things of beauty only for short moments, or do they make a lasting impression on us? They makes a lasting impression on us. That is why Keats say a thing of beauty is a joy forever. It is why we make a wreath of flowers every morning in spite of many disappointments. The thought of those flowers or some other such thing enables us to lift the pall of gloom from our dark spirits. It is just as the memory of sunlight enables us to pass the dark night with hope and cheer. Question number 7. What image does the poet use to describe the beauty bounty of the earth? The poet uses the image of nature to describe the beautiful bounty of the earth. The sun, the moon, and the trees all add to the beauty. The daffodils are a pleasure to watch. The clear streams of water with a sprinkling of beautiful musk rose flowers is a beautiful, very beautiful bounty of the earth. That's all about the question answer.